Welcome to Review Rumble. The best ceiling duster is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a pristine living space, especially when dealing with those hard-to-reach areas that tend to accumulate dust and cobwebs. If you're tired of precariously balancing on chairs or struggling with inadequate cleaning tools, then you're in the right place, as we're about to dive deep into finding a duster that can effortlessly conquer those towering ceilings and leave your home looking immaculate from floor to the very top. Number 5. LAZYCOTTAGE Cobweb Duster with Extension Pole. This versatile cleaning kit includes everything you need for a spotless home. It comes with a cobweb duster, a microfiber duster, and a telescopic rod, perfect for tackling dust anywhere. Say goodbye to ladders. With the extension pole, you can easily reach high ceilings and corners without any risk. It protects your walls from scratches, ensuring a safe and clean finish. Its flexible design allows you to bend and shape it to reach even the most difficult spots. The microfiber material is excellent at trapping dust and hair, leaving surfaces clean. Cleaning up is a breeze as the duster heads are washable and reusable. When you're done, simply hang it up for convenient storage. As skilled makers of cleaning tools, we've assembled this bundle with care. If you have any questions, we're here to help ensure you're satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This duster kit comes with multiple attachments for versatile cleaning. It's designed to protect your walls and surfaces from scratches while cleaning. If you're looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution that is safe for your home, you should consider this. What people say. The duster is very effective at reaching high ceilings and cobwebs. The extendable handle makes it easy to clean areas that were previously out of reach. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even when fully extended. Number 4. Microfiber duster with extension pole. Tired of struggling to clean high places? Our extendable duster reaches from 30 to 100 inches, making it simple to clean ceilings and fans without a ladder. Its flexible and bendable head can be shaped to tackle those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. Get into every corner with ease. When not in use, the detachable pole and head make storage a breeze. Plus, easily detach the head for washing. This duster is designed for repeated use. Simply detach the head and hand wash it to keep it fresh for your next cleaning task. The protective tip ensures that while cleaning, you won't scratch your walls or furniture. It's designed for a safe and effective clean. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This duster features a durable stainless steel pole and a bendable head for reaching tricky spots. The detachable pole makes it easy to store and clean. If you need a long-lasting and flexible duster for various cleaning tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. The duster head is large and fluffy, making it easy to cover a wide area with each swipe. The extendable handle reaches up to 20 feet, perfect for cleaning high ceilings and vaulted spaces. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even when fully extended, which is great for reaching tricky corners. Number 3. SetSail Extra Long Dusters with Extension Pole. Introducing our extra long duster, designed to make cleaning effortless. Its extendable pole reaches up to 100 inches, allowing you to clean every corner with ease. The microfiber head boasts strong electrostatic absorption, capturing dust and hair effectively. Use it dry for dusting or damp for a deeper clean. Its flexible head bends to various angles, perfect for cleaning intricate spaces. It's ideal for appliances, ceiling fans, furniture, and even cars. Cleaning this duster is simple. Just detach the head, wash it with warm water, and hang it to dry. It's ready to be fluffy and effective for your next cleaning task. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help with repairs or replacements. Contact us anytime with questions for a swift resolution. What we like. Its microfiber head has excellent dust capturing ability and can be used wet or dry. The flexible head allows for cleaning in various angles and hard-to-reach areas. If you want a duster that effectively traps dust and offers flexibility for detailed cleaning, this one is ideal. What people say. The duster is extendable and can reach high ceilings. It effectively removes dust and cobwebs from tall areas. Number 2. 20-foot high reach dusting kit. Introducing our 20-foot high reach dusting kit, designed to make cleaning those high and difficult places effortless. It's the perfect solution for tackling dust and cobwebs in every corner of your home. The kit features a 3-range aluminum telescopic extension pole that extends up to 20 feet. This means you can reach the highest ceilings and gables without the need for any extra ladders. It comes with 3 specialized duster heads, a cobweb duster for intricate corners, a microfiber duster for trapping dust, and a flexible ceiling fan duster. These attachments cover all your daily dusting needs. The cobweb duster uses static electricity to easily remove webs from walls, ceilings, and corners. Its soft bristles ensure surfaces are protected from scratches while cleaning. Our microfiber duster head is designed to attract and hold dust and dirt. Simply rinse it with water to clean, and it's ready to use again, making it ideal for furniture and bookshelves. The flexible and bendable ceiling fan duster is perfect for cleaning fan blades of any shape. Its design maximizes dust removal surface and absorption, ensuring a thorough clean. What we like? This kit offers an impressive reach of up to 20 feet, making it perfect for very high ceilings and outdoor areas. It includes multiple specialized brush heads for different cleaning needs. If you have extremely high ceilings or need to clean outdoor spaces without a ladder, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. The duster is very effective at reaching high ceilings and cobwebs. It has a long, extendable handle that makes dusting tall areas easy. The microfiber head is great for trapping dust and is washable. Number 1. UIMO Microfiber Duster Kit with Extension Pole. Introducing our 5-pack microfiber duster kit, designed to reach every corner of your home, from floors to high ceilings. It makes cleaning your home or car a breeze, tackling any dust or debris with ease. This extendable duster features a stainless steel handle that extends from 30 to 100 inches. It provides a sturdy, comfortable grip, allowing you to reach difficult corners and gaps without the need for ladders. Utilizing innovative split fiber technology, it becomes electrostatically charged as you use it. This attracts dust, pollen, and hair, holding onto it and preventing it from becoming airborne. The built-in wire allows the duster head to bend up to 360 degrees. Its flexible heads can be bent to any angle, making it easy to clean all kinds of hard-to-reach areas. The chenille and flat dusting heads are detachable and can be easily hand or machine washed. Simply slide off the cloth for convenient cleaning, ensuring it's always ready for your next dusting task. What we like? This is a comprehensive 5-piece kit designed for easy cleaning of every corner, from floors to high ceilings. Its electrostatic dust attraction and 360 degrees bendable head make it incredibly effective. If you want a complete set that tackles dust efficiently and reaches every nook and cranny, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The duster is very effective at reaching high ceilings and cobwebs. The extendable handle is a great feature, allowing you to adjust the length as needed. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even when fully extended. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.